How to convert iMessage to message and vice versa. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's video I'll teach you guys how you can convert or change your iMessage to message and vice versa. Now if you're guys like with me, I struggle with iMessage and normal message a lot of times, and when I'm out, when I'm trying to send a message, it just goes to iMessage and there is a lot of hassle there. So in this video I'll teach you guys how you can turn off iMessage or turn it back on. So let us get started. First, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, what you'll then need to do is scroll down till you find messages. Now if you don't find it on this initial settings page, head over to the apps on the bottom and then go to messages. Now you will see the messages option. Tap on it and there you will see iMessage. Now as you can see, I've turned it off. Since I've turned it off, my message that I sent will go as normal messages, and if I turn it back on, now my messages will go as iMessages and will require internet. Now you can turn this off whenever you would want and turn this on whenever you want. So yeah, that is basically how you do it guys, and that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching.